We're trying to record a feeding in her high chair for you. Here we go. Oh, nice. Whoops. Okay. Big mouthfuls. Say hi, Uma. Sorry, did I take you out? There you go. Oh, good. Delicious. More. Wait. Oh, good job. Rice cereal tastes good. Yay! What do you hear? That's the dryer. You say hi, Oma. You're looking around. Sorry, she's not here, but we're making a video for her. Whoa. Hi, Grandma. Hi, Grandpa. Hi. Hi. Yes. I know. What do you think of your new high chair? You like kicking your feet in there? Whoops. Whoops. I'm starting to get food all over, but that's just the way it goes. Nice. I should check and see if you're anywhere close to in the picture still. Whoa, nice big mouthful. Yeah? Good girl. What do you think of this? Oh, yes. Oh, yummy. Well, oh good, it looks like we got you. It looks like we got you.